Hey everyone, I wanted to come to you today to talk about how you can turn your 30-year mortgage into whatever mortgage that you like. So I was talking to a client the other day and they wanted to get a 15-year mortgage. And the benefits of a 15-year mortgage is that you pay off your mortgage quicker. And sometimes, in most cases, you actually could get a lower interest rate than the standard 30-year fixed mortgage interest rate. But basically, I explained to the client, it's safer to get the 30-year mortgage and then I can give you the 15-year mortgage payment, and then you can send in the 15-year mortgage payment and still have a 15-year mortgage, even though you're obligated to pay the 30-year mortgage payment. The reason why I do this is because life happens, hard times happen sometimes, and I don't want my clients to be obligated to pay that higher 15-year mortgage note. So I encourage my client to get the 30-year and then pay the 15-year mortgage payment. So that if something does happen or life happens or, you have a rough month or, your car gets flat or your car tire gets flat or car repair or anything, you're not obligated to pay that higher mortgage payment. You're obligated to pay that lower mortgage payment, but if you have extra cash or if you have extra money, you can go ahead and send in that extra money as if it was a 15-year mortgage. So basically, I encourage, there's certain ways you can play with the money and have money tricks and so forth. So I encourage, most of my clients that come in that want a 15-year or a 10-year mortgage, other than the circumstance, I encourage them to do the 30 years so that you're not obligated to pay that higher monthly mortgage payment. And like I said, if you do have a bad month, you won't mess up your credit and you still have that extra cash flow to take care of any emergencies or anything else that may come up. So if you like what you hear, please like, share, and follow. Also, if you are interested in learning more about mortgages, you can feel free to give me a call at 301-945-8300. Or if you're interested in purchasing a new home or refinancing, feel free to give us a call or apply online, I should say, at approvememarcus.com. Thanks a lot, everybody, and hope you have a great day.